Dave, the Genier.
The Genier, yeah. It's a really popular leak location product that we have. Essentially what you do when you're looking for a leak underground, you're listening for the sound of the leak, of the water escaping the pipe. So this is just, it's a very nice listening device. You can put this right on the ground, or you can use a probe rod if you happen to be like indoors with carpet or outdoors. We had a device a few years ago that had a lot of bells and whistles. What we found was the headset, with the noise isolating headset, actually does a much better job as far as helping you find the leak by just drowning out all the other noise that's around you.
Quality headset combined with quality leak detector equals finding a leak.
Exactly, and you want something that's actually going to work practically in the field. Also, we're the only ones that include this amplification manifold. It's a way to easily inject air and water into the pipe so that the pipe makes 10 times as much noise. It literally sings. It makes it much easier for somebody to find.
If you have an inexperienced tech, you can send him out with this whole kit and no worries.
Or if you have a lot of other noise taking place around the area, this helps to isolate it because it makes it much louder. Exactly, which is often the case.
Excellent. So the Genier, where can we find out more?
We call 800-245-6200. Call the Drain Brains at General, and they'll be able to direct you further.
Excellent. Thanks, Dave.